TTR, time to go ride. Landed on a 450. Time to go trail riding. deep? Huh? How deep do you think it is? Do you want to cross it? How deep do you think it is? Can't go anywhere. It's all good. Oh, this thing is heavy though. You want to try it?
Yeah. I'm gonna go from the other way though. It looks hella easy. Bro, I'm not wearing gloves. That shit hurt so bad. The thorn bush literally went across my face. Bro, from right there, that's easy money.
Yeah, but that leads to nothing. We'll just keep riding trails. There's more trails.
That don't go to anything?
So we can either keep going and then it'll be another dead end, or we can take that left and go through that tight trail. I don't know where that goes, but we can keep going.
Okay.
Stay a little bit behind me, don't ride me.
I'll just follow you.
Stick.
I got it on once.
Yeah, dude, the TTR does great.
You better not post this on YouTube. I look retarded.
Nah, I'm posting it.
Oh, fuck.
Crap, that was stick. Here, we'll have to move these sticks. I'll move these sticks. What the crap? My kickstand fell.
Huh?
My kickstand didn't hold.
Bro, I'm bleeding hella bad from somewhere.
You're bleeding?
Hella bad from somewhere. My hands are covered in blood. I don't know where
This
from.
thing's heavy. Oh my god.
Cut the fuck out of me. Oh,
My kickstand didn't go down.
they cut the fuck out of my pinky. My face ain't bleeding, I don't think.
Dude, my kickstand's not going down.
I don't even have a kickstand.
There we go. So I got the book's fine.
Could you hold this for a second while I move that?
Here, I just...
Break that bitch back, break that bitch back.
Oh no, this thing's in the ground.
Alright, I'll do it.
Here.
I was gonna ride over it actually. Hold on, hold my bike for a
Here, let me see where it goes.
Trevor.
Okay. Yeah. You need to move this one, not that one.
I'll put it down like right there. Okay. And then this one.
What do you want to go forward?
Yeah. We can get over that. That's all we need. Just put it down.
It's just gonna.
Yeah, that's good. We'll just ride through it, yeah. Perfect. All right, don't move yet.
Good. This big stuff. It's because there's a stump right here. You didn't take out the ground.
I told you, just go over it.
I tried. There we go. Dude, that's so slick. Oh my God, it's slippery. It's so muddy up here. Dude, look how muddy it is. Hey, it's really muddy up here. Yeah, see, it's so muddy. Dude, it's so slick. I can't catch any grip. Dude, it's so slippery. Oh my God. Here, Landon. I'm gonna need help. It's too slick. Look how slippery it is. Look at this. That's so slick. Look at that. It's so slippery. Dude, I didn't expect it to be that slippery.
I don't have a front brake. I don't have a tire. My rear tire is completely bald.
No, right when I got it, dude, I just spun. I can't pick up my bike because I keep slipping and it's also trying to slip. Yeah, just keep slipping. New grips. God dang it.
Holy fuck. It's so slick.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Dude. Look at this. It's so slick. Watch. It's just spinning. Yeah, I need help grabbing my bike. It's too slick for me to grab it. Look at that. Just spinning. Dude, it's straight just mud up here. Clay. Look at that. I wanted to go up the hill climb. It don't look like a hill climb, but it is. Yeah, it's just so slick. I'm slipping. It's a pretty big hill climb. I almost had it too. Ah, come help me. Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, I know. I ate crap.
Dude, I went to go up it and my back tire came completely out.
Yeah, I know. I almost made it. Then my back tire just started kicking out and spinning. Okay, come on, hurry up. We need to get my bike. I just need you to hold it so don't.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Alright, what do you want me to do?
Just hold, just kind of like, hold, no, go in the rear and make sure it just doesn't slide. Because it's trying to slide.
I have an idea. Yeah, flip it up. Flip it up. Alright. Pull clutch in. Do you want me to put it in neutral? Oh yeah. Give it some gas.
Oh, it's
Give it
slippery.
gas. Give it gas.
I'm slipping.
Give it gas. Give it gas. Yeah, let out the clutch too, buddy. Fuck. These
So
are
slippery.
brand new pants.
Dude, it's so slippery.
Fuck me. Dude, I have no rear tire.
Dude, I'm just slipping. Look how. Dude, my back tire's caked. The bike's fine though. Oh yeah. Just a little fall.
I can't even walk on it.
I know, me neither.
Look at my back tire.
I know. Dude, I'm just spinning. bad gas?
It all the way up here and now it won't run at all hardly.
Okay.
The gas is just shit on this motherfucker.
What is it? 426?
No, it's a 350, but it's built. Street legal. Yeah, the gas is just shit.
So I could ride this on like the street? Really?
Yeah, let's
Wait,
go.
you just got this?
Yeah, turn the
You
signal.
just got it.
Is it dumping water?
It's fuel. I got it turned off. I'm draining it. It's garbage.
I know, I need to get turn signals for mine too, right here.
Fucking gas.
And
is
then a
just
back
shit
brake
on
light.
this thing. And now the battery's going fucking low because I've been cranking it.
Do you want me to go grab you gas?
We'll see. I could probably pop start it down a hill or something. It just sucks, man. Fucking as a
Hey, the battery died. He just got it. It's fine. He'll bump it. Hey, the TTR runs great. Yeah, dude, I love this bike so much. I need to bring my YZ450 up here soon too. But yeah, dude, it just boom, 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 boom. Yeah, see? Starts right up every time. Such a good bike. good bike though. Such a good bike. You guys see me wreck, but it's fine. Guys. Yep. See you guys on the next one.